I was wondering, are you getting hungry?
Should we get peanut butter? Yeah, we can get peanut butter.
Oh, you want to go on a walk? Yeah, we could do that. We could go on a walk.
Hey, yeah, I was thinking about going for a walk, but I'm not too sure.
Oh, hey, Grandma. Yeah, me and Nico, we're just relaxing right now.
Oh, they're going to the bye-bye? Oh, really?
And we're gonna go for a walk. And then we're gonna go see Grandma.
That is not for sitting. It's not a jacuzzi. Come on out.
That sounds like she said no.
Let's go tell Daddy to stop working. Come on.
Oh my God.
You have no balls. You don't.